Hey, Sophie here, and here's 3 things we love about this DJI Pocket camera combo kit. It records with realistic clarity, keeps shots steady on the move, and it comes with lots of creator-orientated accessories. Everything you record is captured in the best possible way as a result of its ability to capture 4K video at 60 frames per second, resulting in video that's sharp and full of detail. It has a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that means you'll be able to retain smooth video capture even when you're running or jumping around to keep your object in frame. You'll be able to get straight to capturing video as it comes with a do-it-all handle, wireless microphone, wide-angle lens, micro tripod and more, right out the box. If you want to find out more, you can visit us in store or chat to one of us on a Shop Live video call.